Imagine this. You're at an online checkout and you've just typed in your shipping address. You click Next, and another form appears. Enter your billing address. But my billing address is the same as my delivery address. Now I have to re-enter my address all over again. This is what the new guideline redundant entry in WCAG 2.2 is all about. You can't ask a user to enter the same information more than once. In our example, we could add a checkbox, same as delivery address. This means we only had to enter our address once. Now, there are some exceptions to this check. One is if the previously entered information is no longer valid. Then you can ask for it again. The other is if re-entering information is essential or if it is required for security purposes. So asking a user to retype their new password to confirm a password change is still allowed. This is a level A requirement, so make sure you test your forms. Everyone deserves access to the internet. If you need help getting your website up to scratch, visit silktide.com.